you know. I mean, let's check this out here. That's fitting right up there. And you see how that fits there. So I mean, this keeps, because you try to put that in there and you get this, you see that bump? You see that bump in the corner? A little bump in it because it's not cut right. So to get it up there even, and you get a little gap there and a little bump there, and then look, oh, that's nice. That's nice. And then bam! Oh, and it doesn't, oh. OCD, really? I don't know, but I'm gonna have to fix that and that because, well, some things drive me crazy and I'll just handle it myself because it's that simple, that easy. But yeah, I just got done vacuuming. Okay. Oh, crud. I came out of there and you know what I'm supposed to be doing? Relocating this to the next level because I just got done vacuuming this level and we're going up to the top now. Alright? Happy Family Sunday!